searching for the best machine learning courses on Coursera, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera discount there if it's still available. Now, here's the truth. Most people shouldn't start with the most advanced machine learning course. They should start with the one they can actually finish. For beginners, one of the most recommended machine learning programs is the Machine Learning Specialization. It introduces core concepts like supervised learning, neural networks, decision trees, and machine learning workflows without overwhelming you with advanced mathematics. If you're interested in AI careers, many learners combine the Machine Learning Specialization with the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This helps build both machine learning knowledge and practical data skills. For learners who already have some experience with Python and mathematics, deeper machine learning programs can help you understand how models are built, trained, and deployed in real-world applications. The reason Coursera stands out is that these programs aren't just collections of videos. Most include structured learning paths, quizzes, hands-on exercises, projects, and certificates that help you build practical skills step by step. So if you're searching for the best machine learning courses on Coursera, machine learning certification, machine learning for beginners, AI machine learning courses, or Coursera Machine Learning Review, here's the ranking most learners should follow. Start with the Machine Learning Specialization if you're new. Add the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate if you're interested in data and AI careers. Then move into more advanced machine learning and AI specializations as your skills grow. That's usually a much faster path than jumping straight into advanced machine learning topics and getting stuck. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.